The simpleRTK2B starter kit medium range is the fastest way to enable your robot with centimeter-accurate GPS, with a distance range of 1 kilometer in rural areas. The kit comes pre-configured, so you simply need to power it up to get started. The kit includes 2 sets of items. For Base and Rover. You can identify which is which because they are marked as Base and Rover on the bottom. The base station needs to be installed in a static location nearby your robot, while the rover should be mounted on your robot. The base is required to achieve centimeter accuracy with GPS on your rover. It is constantly monitoring GPS errors and sends correction data to the rover all the time. This lets your robot determine its exact position with centimeter precision in real time. The base and rover must maintain a clear line of sight and be within 1 kilometer of each other for optimal performance. Each board is based on the u-blox F9P module, supporting L1, L2, and E5B bands, and is configured to output location data at 1 Hz, meaning it delivers 1 position every second. You can also change this setting to receive up to 10 positions every second. The boards have Arduino rails, for use with an Arduino or other development boards like STM32 or Raspberry Pi. A JST connector for connecting to your favorite Pixhawk autopilot if needed. The antenna has 2 mounting holes for a fixed installation. And a magnetic base which allows you to place it on a metallic surface. We said earlier that is simply plug and play, but let's have a look at what this exactly means. To set up your RTK base, connect GNSS antenna to the RTK board. Install the base antenna in a fixed position with a complete view of the sky, ensuring line of sight to the area where the rover will operate. This also aids radio communication, which requires line of sight between the base and rover to function. Once your base station is installed, simply power it up via USB connector. You don't need a PC, just connect it to a wall adapter and wait a couple of minutes. While waiting, you can start setting up your rover. Note that the USB cable and wall adapter are not included in the kit, but from our experience, most people already have them at home. Once ready, start enjoying high precision. You can connect a rover to your PC or smartphone via using USB cable and use your preferred software to read the RTK positions. If you do not have preferred software, you can use u-blox U-Center to see how the device receives GNSS data and displays RTK fixed. You will find more information and specific tutorials on our website ardusimple.com. And for your information, we deliver worldwide in 2 to 4 business days.